You're listening to Only in Seattle.
And we've kind of talked about that, and I call that, and a lot of people call that the skinny fat.
Yes.
So you are losing pounds from your overall body weight, but you are losing more muscle mass than you are fat. So now your percentage of your body fat actually goes up. Mm-hmm. So you weigh less, but it would be like you weighing less, but going from 16% body fat to 18%.
Yeah, exactly.
And that happens to people all the time, and they don't know it because they don't know how much body fat they have.
And they don't know how much to eat and how much they don't know how to properly use cardio. Like, that shouldn't be your main source of losing calories. It should be coming from weightlifting and then your overall NEAT throughout the day, which is your non-exercise activity thermogenesis. So how many calories you burn just from like fidgeting, walking around the office, going up the stairs, brushing your teeth. Those are all going to contribute to your overall NEAT for the day, which is one of the largest places of calorie expenditure that we're going to get. In terms of your workout, that's only a fraction of...
It's only a few hundred calories.
Yeah, that's probably like 300 to 500 calories is my guess.
Yeah, and you have one bad snack, you have erased those gains for the day.
Yeah, I go to Chipotle, gone.
Yeah.
Go to Chipotle for lunch.
Go to Trader Joe's and get a bag of cheese crunchies.
Oh yeah, your cheese crunchies. See, I can't do the cheese crunchies because I know if I started, I wouldn't stop.
They're delicious.
So is cauliflower.
No, cauliflower's not. No.
60 calories.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video is out.